Hi, Vanakkam. So welcome to Upgrading Pharma channel. So in this video, we discuss some of the most important news comes related to the pharmacy or medical field. So these news are useful to know most important news comes around the pharmacy industry. Okay, so let's enter into the news. So first news, okay. So this news comes from Lupin industry. That is, Lupin recalls hypertensive drug Cunapil tablet in the US. Okay, so US, which means United States. So Lupin is one of the major drug maker present in India. So Lupin Pharmaceutical have many of the subsidiaries all over the world. So Lupin Pharmaceutical is voluntarily recalling 4 lots of Cunapil tablets in the USA to the patient level. Okay, so it voluntarily recall 4 lots of Cunapil tablets. So that is in the USA. Okay, so it follows. So nitrosamine will be more present in the Cunapil tablet, that is above the normal intake level, that is daily intake level, so that the Lupin pharmaceutical industry have voluntarily recalling the Cunapil tablet in the US. So this is confirmed by the US subsidiary of Lupin industry. Okay, so the Lupin subsidiary present in the US will confirm this excess levels of nitrosamine. Okay, so that the Lupin industry voluntarily recalling the Cunapil tablet in the US market. So Cunapil is one of the ACE, that is angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor used to treat the hypertension. Okay, so this is the news related to the Lupin this week. Okay, let's we move to the second news. The second news is comes related to the Zydus life sciences. Okay, so Zydus group is one of the major drug maker in the India, and it also have many subsidiaries all over the world. Okay, so the news around the Zydus group, that is Zydus gets US FDA not for generic hypertensive tablet. Okay, that is Zydus life sciences subsidiary Zydus worldwide DMCC have the final approval, received the final approval from the US Food and Drug Administration to market Zelizibac tablet in different strengths. Okay, so Zelizibac is one of the main drug used in the treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension. Okay, so it is used in the case of adult. Okay, so it's not in all over the ages. So mainly used in the adult for treatment of pulmonary arterial hypertension. Okay, so the drug will be manufactured in the group's formulation facility at Ahmedabad. Okay, that is Zydus Life Sciences, one of the drug manufacturing area that is present in Ahmedabad, have the final approval for the manufacturing of the hypertensive tablet, that is Zelizibac. Okay, so in US, the Zelizibac tablet alone have the market sales of $577 million. Okay, so it is the news around the Zydus Life Sciences. So it is one of the positive news for the Zydus group. Okay, so let's move to the third news. So that is led to the nasal COVID vaccine. Okay, so that is nasal COVID vaccine approved by the government, so to be available in private hospital first. Okay, so in India, the first nasal COVID vaccination will be approved by the government. Okay, so we know there is a subcutaneous or intramuscular vaccines available for the COVID. Okay, but the first nasal COVID vaccination can be approved by the government of India, and that is can be manufactured by the Bharat Biotech present in the India. Okay, the Bharat Biotech's intranasal COVID vaccine, that is Incovac. Okay, so Incovac is the brand name of this nasal COVID vaccination. So has received government approval for the use of booster dose in the country wide mass inoculation program. Okay, so this vaccination can be approved by the Indian government to boost the immunity against the COVID-19. Okay, it can be administered to those above 18 years. Okay, so that is who are present above the 18 years will get the permission or will get the eligible for the nasal COVID vaccination from the Bharat Biotech. Okay, so and it will be made available in the private hospital first. Okay, so this intranasal COVID vaccination first available in private hospitals, then only it will be available free in the government hospitals. Okay, so these are the news comes in our India, and these are the major news I get from that newspapers. Okay, so and I hope so these news are useful to know the many news related to the pharmacy as well as medicines. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel for getting more new videos. Okay, if you want to follow us in Instagram and Telegram, so links are provided in the description box, so click the link and follow us on Instagram and Telegram. Okay, video. Thank you for watching.